Hello, my name is Abigail, and I've used Python to create a program based on a traditional game of scissors, paper, and stone. I was inspired to create this game as I wanted to put a fresh twist to the game by playing it with the computer. I like to play scissors, paper, stone with my friends, and I hope to inspire more people to know this game by introducing them to scissors, paper, stone through technology. Let me show you how you can play this with the computer. When I run the game, I'm presented with two options. I can play versus with a friend or with the computer. With the first option, the game will show me the aim of the game, and after I press enter, it will show me the controls. The player 1 controls are ASD for scissors, paper, and stone, and the player 2 controls are L semicolon and apostrophe for scissors, paper, and stone. When I'm done reading the controls, I can press enter and the game will start. When both players haven't inputted at the same time, it will say waiting for inputs at the same time. Once both players have entered their choices using the keys, a message saying inputted would show. After I finish inputting the options, I'll press space to continue. And the game will show me the results. And I will press space again so that I could start the next round. If the players doesn't enter anything, an error message will show. For the second option, the same message of the aim of the game will show, but this time the player will only control player 1. Player 2 will be controlled by the computer. The rules are about the same, and the computer's choice is completely randomized. The first player to score 5 points will win. I've come to the end of my presentation. Thank you.